Alright, today we're going to do a waterfall, so it's going to have kind of blue, gray. It's going to have like a little beach here forming. There's going to be a gravel beach here. And then we're going to have this really beautiful sunset that kind of leads into the waterfall.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what is a First Amendment audit with film?
Alright, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, burnt umber, yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, quin blue, cyan, phthalo green, quin red, pearly red, primary yellow. Let's get the party started. So the first layer, I'm just kind of blocking in the really major color values. So I got this orange to pale peach background. We got to layer in the purple on top of that, but you have to layer it, otherwise they just mix it, looks muddy. So that's going to be a little bit tricky. But if I get the right colors of red in here, then I can do that cloud cover and then start to play with it as I detail it out. Same with the rock. I just put in the main color's green. Obviously you got to put dark green. You got to put some kind of more gray rock that's going to match this, so this color should be in here as well. It's going to be a darker value because the sun's coming this way, so this is all in shadow for them more or less, except for the highlights. Same thing here, you're going to highlight here more of a yellow, really nice green at the top, forest green, add in some rock, dark colors. Again with the beach, we're going to try to get the main color first, and then as we get that right, that reads right, we can just detail it with really tiny rocks. I probably won't do that much detail. I'll probably just do a couple pinpoints because it's just going to be a pain in the ass. This will match whatever's here, so this would be a little less toned down because it's in the water. But basically it's a reflection directly of the sun, so you don't want to have, in this case, much blue in there. Same thing here with the waterfall. It's right next to the green. It's going to reflect these colors versus the sky colors. You might have a top little bit layer with the orange, but primarily this waterfall is going to be the colors of what's right next to it. That's my first layer. got the beach in here. I added some detail with more pebbles kind of coming to the foreground. The background you don't really need to do much because it's just going to blend out. I have kind of the reflection here. It doesn't look so translucent, so it's kind of like bright and shiny, so I need to kind of calm this down, I think. A little more pastel colors, lighter kind of peachy colors, like maybe lighter version of this, and then some gray tones from the sky. The waterfall is looking okay. I kind of have this roughly sketched in. It's kind of like going to take some more time, I think, on the details in the cliff.
So First Amendment audit with film is basically you walk around to government buildings, police stations, the like, and you check if you can actually film there. So sometimes the police will pick you up and then try to throw you in jail for it, but it's really, as long as you're on public property like the sidewalks, you really can't say anything to having a First Amendment audit. So that's my question of the day.
So it reads well from afar, but up close, it's not my favorite painting. Anyway, hope you guys like it, and give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.